Y'all, I just found this wreath. You gotta get us kicked out. Look at all the cute trees. Wait, I gotta show y'all what I just found. I don't know about y'all, but I could definitely use a little break. I'm gonna grab my friend and we are hitting up some of our favorite stores just to see what's new, get some inspiration, and just have a fun shopping day. And y'all are coming with us. There she is waiting. Are you ready for a shopping adventure?
I'm ready. Look at my shirt. It says, I'm on a very serious mission to get a tiny trinket. Let's go.
Oh wait, I might need to unlock the door.
Yes. Let's go.
All ready? Let's go. This is one of our favorite stores. Oh my gosh, y'all. It is loaded up with fall stuff and Halloween. Stop it right now with these cute little brooms. $8. They not only have this one, they have this one too. I feel like we need to DIY some little brooms. Cute glasses, ghost, pumpkin, and a bat. Y'all, I just found this wreath. It's $40. It's the LED ghost one, just like the Pottery Barn one. So the Pottery Barn one is $90. So if you've been looking for one of these, it's like half the price. Come get it. Okay, this is cute. It is a ghost pitcher and it has its own drink. Honestly, if it was just a ghost pitcher without the drink, I think I would like it better and probably buy it. Oh my gosh, only $5 for this. I just found something. It is a ghost pitcher, but it's holding a pumpkin. $5, I think I'm getting this one. These ghost frames are cute. Look, there's an oval one.
I could totally cut these ghosts and we could DIY this.
I know, they're so cute. They have clothes too. Look, the sweatshirt with the ghost. Fuzzy slippers. The pink ghost with the cats. I think I need this one. I do, look, it got pink ghosts and then a cat's climbing all over the ghost. It's adorable. It's October witches. These posable skeletons are only $3. That's a really good price. I do have small skeletons. Ah, he's biting my finger, but they're not posable. So I'm gonna get at least one of these. And if you're into the pink and the bubbles, they do have that over here. Oh, look, the matte cute velvet witch hat. Look, holding her coffee. I love this. It's a hand towel. Do I need any pots? Because the lawn and garden is 70% off. Wait, look, the tulip one. I do need this because I had an ivy that I propagated and it needs to be planted. What about some porch gooses? Do I need some? They'd be 70% off of $10.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just hanging out, having some pumpkin pie and my pumpkin latte. It's fall time. Let's check out the fall. I love the addition of the blue in here and these eucalyptus with all the browns and oranges. Love that as well. Some pretty magnolia garlands. Oh, look, they got the garland in the blue eucalyptus and a mini wreath. This is the fall porch of my dreams. I really got to get some swings hung up. These flickering pumpkin candles are so pretty. $12. And they have some smaller ones. Y'all, is this not just like all the Hall and Buffalo China pieces that I have been thrifting? It's $12. You could get this so much cheaper at the thrift stores. Be on the lookout. Perfect for fall and for Christmas. Just like a little simple green touch, and you could even put a transfer or something in the middle. They have stacked trunks in several different colors, but it looks like each one is a different price. Oh my gosh, this platter is giant. It is $15, but imagine it like in your kitchen like this, and then this wood one in front of it. Would that not be so pretty? This one's $10, this one's $15. Should I get them? Okay, what is this? Looks like a foot. It's $5. What is this? What is this supposed to be? I found some more cute stuff that would be easy to DIY. Look at this. Just has a fabric background, the turkey, and these books. I'm gonna be on the lookout at the thrift store for some really awesome fall fabric to cover books. These 3 cats are adorable. They're only $1. I think I'm gonna get them for Ren to put on her trinket shelf. These little monsters are cute too. Wait, I gotta show y'all what I just found. Skeleton army men. You know where that's going.
I think I spend more than Julie.
All right, that was fun. I feel like they just put everything out at PopShelf. We went at the perfect time. So much cute stuff.
Yes.
All right, where are we head to next?
I don't know what's close by.
There's Michael's, and then there's a Marshall's, I think, right here, and then Ollie's.
Ollie's?
Yeah.
And Hobby Lobby, because their spring is 75% off.
Yeah, we definitely got to go check that out, and then I don't know. We'll see.
We'll see.
I swear, I cannot take her anywhere. She is just digging through these boxes. What you doing? You found something good?
No, I was helping her find some squishies.
Oh, you were helping her. Okay.
I didn't do it.
She didn't do it. What's in here?
Empty.
Oh, that one's empty.
I didn't check it, girl.
We're at Hobby Lobby now looking for good deals and also inspiration. I already found some stuff I need it. Okay, look at these velvet bows. They are $3.99 and they're gonna be 40% off. This is gonna go in my house all year long. And this throw blanket is just like the one I got here for Christmas, except it's these beautiful fall colors. So I'm gonna get a few of these. One of these. Also, I like putting these around my trees. Like if I got fall trees in a crock, you know what I mean? I need it. Okay, I don't know if y'all remember all of the pumpkins that I got last year. I do not need another pumpkin. Like, slap me if y'all see me buy another pumpkin. I think I actually have these big ones. Let's see what they are now. I got them for a good price. These are $125. I think I got them when everything was 75% off. Do I need some little mini squirrels? Yeah.
No, you have a lot of squirrels at your house.
No,
they all live
I
with
need
you.
them. I need them. I love these pine cone candles. These bowls I just got, look, here's another idea. You can put them on your frames to hang them up. Look at the giant bowls. But wait, there's a plaid one. And I love this plaid. Like, it's not bright, it's muted. So pretty. These are $19.99. Leigh, look! It's a pumpkin with a bow.
You don't need any more pumpkins.
But wait. Look at this white one with the gold. I do. I might need any more. Need some more. Okay. I don't need any more pumpkins. I don't need any more. Wait.
No.
Oh, stop. It's a globe. Like a snow globe. And it lights up.
Slap your hand. You don't need any more pumpkins. You don't need any more pumpkins.
Okay. I don't need, but what about this wood one right here?
No,
that would look good in my house. I don't. Okay. I'm walking away. I told y'all I cannot take her anywhere. What are you doing?
I'm hiding.
Okay, every time me and Leigh come to Hobby Lobby together, we find the Garland section and then we take a picture.
It's falling. Okay.
I'm being attacked. You gotta get us kicked out.
You can't take me anywhere. I can't take you anywhere.
I don't know if these are new or not, but they're so cute. They're acorn bells. And imagine these with the Dixie Belle antique gold on them. You put them in a garland. That would be so pretty. Should I add these to cart? We might need to do that. You're right. It's not a pumpkin. Add to cart. I'm convinced. I've been doing a blue for a while, but they're starting to add it in. Look, the blueberries.
Needs a blue velvet bow on top.
Oh my gosh, yes, a blue bow on top. That would be beautiful. These are, I don't think the Christmas stuff is on sale. $28.99. I think I'm gonna get some blueberries and add them into the trees I already have. Leigh, look at all the cute trees. Can I get these?
Yeah, it's not a pumpkin.
Exactly. Add to cart, right?
Didn't you get a lot of trees last year though? You got so many trees you can start a forest.
That's true. But wait, I don't have this one. I think I should get this one. Y'all remember last year for Christmas, I did all of the browns in my living room and now it is everywhere. So much brown. I'm here for it. I love this. Womp womp. This is the spring items that are 75% off. There's hardly anything left. These are on clearance for $6.74. That would be some cute artwork, and then you could put something different in the middle if you wanted. They have several of them. I like to do sets of 3. You may already know this, but in the craft section, they have the brass colored gold tone bales, and they are usually a lot cheaper than the ones they're selling in the Christmas section. The wood stuff is currently 40% off. These are $11.99, and then they'd be 40% off. Wouldn't this be so pretty with one of the new IOD holiday molds or transfers? I think we need to get it and put one on there with the swan. They also have these that are larger, and then look, is this new? I don't know. I don't come to Hobby Lobby often. So imagine this with the brown bow. So pretty. I like the small scalloped one.
Okay, so what I have these for,
yeah,
I'm gonna like do it and put like a pedestal under here and make it like a riser.
Oh yeah.
And you could put like a little candle ring or something in it and put like a pumpkin on top.
So cute. Okay, I found something that I do need. Since I did my landscaping and have some flowers, the hummingbirds have been coming around, and I want them to stay around. This attaches to the window, and I got several windows that look out into landscaping. I feel like everybody in the house would love it. So I'm gonna get the hummingbird feeder that attaches to the window, and then also the hummingbird juice or whatever it's called. They have a bunch of cute little different ones, but I think I'm just gonna start with this one that hangs on a window. Y'all, they have a hummingbird ring. Should I get this and see if it works? All right, Ren, just stand there like a statue, and we'll see if a hummingbird comes land on your finger. If you eat it all, then the hummingbirds won't have any food. Well, so far I have not seen a hummingbird, only this bug right here just really enjoying the sugar water. I'm gonna keep these shelves in mind when we're doing Waylon's room. It is a very simple little wooden ledge. He likes to paint and create his own artwork, so this would enable him to just make stuff and switch it out on his own. Our doilies coming back. Look, they have them at Hobby Lobby. They got the bigger ones and then the little smaller coaster size. I mean, I think it's cute, but you can absolutely find all this stuff at estate sales and thrift stores. Leigh got a good idea. What you gonna do with that, Leigh? A little ghost. That would be so cute. And we can make a green one and a pink one. Hold on, I don't have that one right.
Scissors.
Yes, for sure. Look for these when y'all are out thrifting. What the what? What is this? Do we look alike? All the hardware is 40% off. My husband wants a hook for his towel. I just saw this. I think that'd be cute and funny. I'm gonna get that for him. And I can add it to cart because it's not a pumpkin. See, no pumpkins in the cart. A lot of other stuff though. These trees are cute. Leigh, they're only $30 and they're 40% off. Can I get this?
It's not a pumpkin.
That's right. It's not a pumpkin. I'm getting it. Oh, I got a package. I know what that is. We're gonna open that up and look at these new florals that just came in today. Love them. I'm starting to call my florals brownery instead of greenery because I just love all of the browns. I'll have this one on the website by the time y'all watch this video. Oh my gosh, that's gonna look so good in my house. All right, let's open this box up. I just could not do 12 to 18 hours of editing this week. And sometimes you just need a fun shopping day with your friend. And you know what? Leigh needed one too. She does what I do. She's a little bit of a workaholic. She almost canceled on me because she had so much work to do. And then she was very excited that she took the day off and came with us. Oh my gosh, it's even cuter in person. Y'all, I shared these the other day as soon as they were released. It is my Texas house, and I hate to even show y'all this because everything is sold out. Like sold out within a day, all of the fall and Halloween at my Texas house. So I'm telling y'all, I know we're not decorating for these seasons yet, but when I share them, you gotta get them. Or when you want them, they're gonna sell out. Oh my gosh. I feel like Ren's gonna steal this one. So cute. I grabbed this tree as we were walking out. I did pay for it, but it was such a good price and it lights up. So I want to see what it looks like, because if I love it, I might go get another one, because 2 of these next to my front door, I think would be beautiful. I turned off the light so we can see. Okay. Can y'all see it light up? Yeah, that is really pretty. Like, it's not too bright, it's subtle. All of the branches are wired, so I can, you know, open it up, fluff it out. For this price, yeah, I think I'm gonna go get another one and have 2 on my front porch. That's gonna be pretty. The Dixie Belle Gold Antiquing Wax is like my secret weapon. I just put it on everything and it makes it beautiful. So the acorns that I bought, I just want to show y'all. Actually, I probably put too much on my, you don't want too much. You can always add more. So I like to start with less. And then you just brush it onto your piece. It also just really accentuates all of the details. So this side has the gold wax and then this side doesn't. So much better. Oh, and have y'all seen the new IOD Christmas release? Look at these canisters. I put the Darling Holiday transfer on those. Y'all, this one's so fun. There is 17 new pieces. So if you have not checked it out, it's all on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com. Look, this one on everywhere that there was snow, I added Dixie Belle mud. And I love the combination of the IOD transfers with the Dixie Belle mud, because, I mean, look, that looks so good. And this giant Santa head right here, he's so cute. So go check out all the other new things that they have. Some of it is already selling out. My Texas house IOD, it just sells out fast. This is a fun little hand I got for my husband's towels, but it looks more like a wrought iron to me right now, and I wanted to have more of a brass look, so take my secret weapon, the Dixie Belle Gold Gilding Wax, and I'm going to just add some more gold to it until it's the look that I want. Y'all be sure to go follow my friend Leigh. Her business page is the Turquoise Valentine, and I know y'all are going to love her. We have so much fun together, and it was so much easier filming in public with another crazy person with me. We had all of these stores that we wanted to go to, but per usual, we goofed around in the first like 2 stores and then we ran out of time. But it was fun. Let me know if y'all have a PopShelf in y'all area. We love that store. It is not close to us. It's about like a 40-minute drive. So when we are out that way, we love to go stop in and see what new items they have. I think that looks so much better. And I added it to the screws. Let's go put it up. All right. I think it's so cute and just a little bit quirky. I think he's really going to like it. He can just hang his towel right here. And when he gets out of the shower, voila. And it matches my shower hardware. At least I got one project done in this video. All right, do y'all want to go in the living room and I will show y'all what color chairs I ended up deciding on. I chose the white chairs. I just think the style of them was so similar to my sofas. The color was almost the same. I love the brown ones, but I feel like they didn't really fit the style of my house. And also my eye was just going straight to the brown. And if you want a statement piece of furniture, then that is fine. But I have several statement pieces in here that I would rather people be looking at and me be looking at and catching my eye than chairs. So that is what I decided on. And for $150, y'all, if you need some nice looking chairs in your bedroom, your living room, sitting area, I highly recommend these. So that is going to be the end of today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed hanging out with me and Leigh. Be sure to go give her a follow. She goes live several times a week in crafts, and trust me, y'all are going to love her. All right, I gotta go, but I'm going to see y'all next week for more adventures, and for sure we're going to be getting some stuff done around the house. Y'all have a great day. Bye, guys. Ren's right here. You want to tell them bye? Just tell them bye. I'm not tickling you.
Bye.